In the event that you're searching for EOS cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of EOS will go from now on, we will examine the by and large past costs of EOS, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to truly take this expectation and each and every forecast, with the aim that this generally is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable, which is very huge. Be that as it may, we will really make an honest effort, which is genuinely critical. How about we start? EOS past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of EOS especially is 57 cents, and EOS is presently positioned number 52 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of EOS basically is 1,103,398,280 with a market cap of $632,024,564. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 0.04% in its in every way that really matters current worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the EOS with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. From most recent 7 days, the EOS was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.41%. EOS has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to for the most part dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of EOS basically diminished by 53.844%, killing an incredible normal amount of 67 cents from its especially current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent truly purchase and open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change really is near 47.40%, and the cost basically coursed from a base typical cost of $1.01 to most extreme kind of normal cost of $1.12. In the beyond 90 days, which is very huge, EOS is somewhere near 36.87%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin truly was around 89 cents, and the base typical value of was around 87 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. We by and large anticipate future EOS cost expectations. EOS gauge, by applying profound pretty man-made reasoning, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of EOS. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the EOS coin, which especially incorporate numerous boundaries like in every way that really matters. Past value, EOS market cap, EOS volume, and barely anymore, or so they thought. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from kind of your speculations, make a point to basically peruse our expectations, or so they in every practical sense thought. EOS value expectation 2023. As per our genuinely profound specialized examination on past value information of EOS, in 2023, the cost of EOS basically is estimated to be at around a base worth of 82 cents. Amazingly, the EOS value worth can fundamentally arrive at a kind of limit of 93 cents. With the extremely normal exchanging worth of 85 cents in United States dollars. EOS value expectation 2024. EOS cost most certainly is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.17 in 2024, in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the EOS cost could arrive at a greatest sort of conceivable degree of $1.43, with the kind of typical gauge cost of $1.21. Which is genuinely critical. EOS value conjecture for 2025. EOS cost generally is gauged to especially arrive at a most minimal especially conceivable degree of $1.72 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the EOS cost could generally arrive at a most extreme sort of conceivable degree of $2.04, with the essentially normal conjecture cost of $1.77, which is genuinely critical. EOS value expectation 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of EOS basically is supposed to reach at an in every practical sense least value worth of $2.57, which sort of is genuinely huge. The EOS cost can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $2.96, with the in every way that really matters, normal worth of $2.65. Which is very huge. In a kind of significant manner, EOS Value Expectation 2027, according to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2027, the cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at least degree of $3.79. The EOS cost can explicitly arrive at a very greatest degree of $4.46. With the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost of $3.92. EOS Value Forecast 2028. As per our fundamentally profound specialized examination on past value information of EOS, in 2028, the cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5.50 in an unpretentious manner. The EOS cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme degree of $6.57, with the especially normal exchanging cost of $5.69. EOS Value Expectation 2029. The cost of EOS truly is generally anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $7.75 in 2029. The EOS cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $9.79. With the fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $8.04, all through 2029. EOS Value Figure 2030. The cost of 1 EOS is supposed to reach at least degree of $11.47 in 2030. The EOS cost can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme degree of $13.46, with the sort of typical cost of $11.79 all through 2030. Or so they thought. EOS Value Expectation 2031. The cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $15.89 in 2031, in a kind of enormous manner. The EOS cost can truly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $19.97, with the sort of typical cost of $16.48 all through 2031. EOS Value Forecast 2032. The cost of EOS is anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of $23.28 in 2032 in a significant manner. The EOS cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $28.02, with the typical exchanging cost of $23.93, all through 2032. EOS Value Gauge Facts. What is the fate of EOS? The eventual fate of EOS really is profoundly reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into EOS, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system, which is very huge. This kind of venture generally isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still an incredible speculation for those have a high capacity to bear